Causes of 2014 Kia Cerato engine performance imbalance. The engine performance is not balanced and the RPM rise above normal on idle. On inspecting the cause, we discovered the leakage in between manifold and engine block. We have to remove the manifold and check the leaking area. By losing the manifold, some attached component needs to be removed. So these are the leaking area. The manifold is leaking from the manifold seal. And this is the seal. We need to scrape off old glue gum or sealant gum and replace with fresh gum and retight the manifold back. We make sure all the bolts and nuts are well fixed. We make sure the clip of throttle actuator hose is well fixed to avoid any leakage. We ensure all the necessary components are well fixed. So now we start our vehicle. And the vehicle engine performance is okay. You can see it from RPM reading. The RPM reading below 1000 and it's not fluctuating. The water level is okay, not like before when the radiator is vomiting water. When accelerating, the engine works smoothly. I switch off the ignition and start it back and everything is perfect. So that is one of the way to rectify an engine performance imbalance in 2014 Kia Cerato.